To a casual observer, the 2025 Honda Odyssey might look unchanged, but there's more than meets the eye. Honda has subtly refreshed its popular minivan, and I've had the chance to explore it and get my first impression of the new Sport L trim. Or is it really that new? Let's dive in and see what's changed, so stay tuned. Style doesn't always dictate this choice, as the minivan's most important qualities are actually safety, versatility, and practicality. However, every little bit helps in this competitive market segment. To strengthen its position, the 2025 Sport model has received a visual refresh, including new front and rear bumpers, an updated front grille, sharper black alloy rims, and the addition of the letter L to its name for better clarity and brand cohesion. Notably, the L now signifies leather, distinguishing it from the cloth-only sport trims in other models. This update aligns with Honda's strategy to clarify that the Sport L is a mid-range offering, similar to the CR-V Sport L, enhancing buyer understanding across the broader lineup. On a side note, I wish Honda had included black roof rails to enhance the minivan's overall look and complement its impressive length of 205.2 inches. The sharper, more defined contours and shapes, appearing as if carved from wood rather than hand-sculpted, add richness, drama, and a textural maturity to the design. I also see strong references to traditional Japanese cultural patterns and symbols in the latest Odyssey's design language, which I particularly appreciate. Is it just my impression, or do you see it too? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this episode so far, hit the subscribe and like buttons below. Inside, Honda has added more substance to the 2025 Odyssey Sport Edition. A keen observer will notice the sleek new key fob design and the improved button layout on the steering wheel and climate controls. The standout feature, however, is the new 9-inch color infotainment touchscreen, which replaces the previous 8-inch model and features a faster processor, providing a much-needed improvement in responsiveness. However, the Odyssey would certainly benefit from a larger display. Standard features now include wireless charging and seamless wireless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A quiet cabin helps keep things calm, and the new Cabin Talk feature, which amplifies the driver's voice to the rear seats, enhances parental control. Additionally, USB-C ports are strategically placed throughout the cabin for added convenience. Finally, the instrument cluster display has been redesigned with Honda's latest technology, offering more interactive information screens similar to those found in the newest Ridgeline and Pilot models. The 2025 Sport L retains its familiar color options: white, black, red, and sonic gray for the exterior. Inside, it continues to offer a single choice of a black interior, highlighted by red contrast stitching and red ambient lighting. Despite its bolder and more charismatic exterior and its elegant, refined interior, the Honda Odyssey stays true to its minivan heritage. It offers wide dual sliding side doors, an incredibly spacious cabin with 3 rows of seating, versatile second-row seats with the innovative Magic Seat system, and a generous cargo-swallowing rear tailgate. Designed to transport people and gear with ease, the Odyssey fulfills its minivan role with impressive capability. Despite rumors about new hybrid powertrain options, none have appeared yet. Honda sticks to its proven and powerful VTEC V6 engine, and the 10-speed automatic transmission delivers reliable performance with class-competitive efficiency. Additionally, the Odyssey's impressive ride and handling, remarkable for a minivan, instill confidence and reflect a sense of solid design and build quality. It's worth noting that the base price for the 2025 Odyssey Sport Package has increased by a significant $810, bringing it to $44,465. Do you think the updates and improvements justify this price hike? Stick around for a comprehensive review of the 2025 Odyssey, and share your thoughts and impressions of the Sport L package in the comments.